Hello and welcome to Nomadic Translation. Today we are going to show you how to contact us through Facebook page. If you would like to DM the page, click here on this button. A box will pop out with frequently asked questions. So who are we and what do we do? Nomadic Translation is an online translation agency. We offer translation, proofreading, and transcription services. With us, the receipt and the delivery of documents is done on the same day. This way will spare you the trouble of traveling all the way to our office. What are the prices for our services? Translation and proofreading prices start from 2.5 euros per page, which is $3 US. These prices depends on the nature of the document itself. Transcription costs $6 per 10 minutes. Where do I send my documents? In order to keep track of work, we suggest you to email them at nomadictranslations@gmail.com. You can click right here to reach us on WhatsApp. If you are using your laptop, a new page will appear. You can DM us on WhatsApp web. Or download the app. If you are using your smartphone, the button on our page will lead you to your app.